Awesomely useful car accessories for under $1,000. Car accessories are very important for every car owner nowadays. People like to modify their cars a lot, but some modifications are so expensive that people avoid them. But today, we are going to tell you about some of the most useful car accessories that cost under $1,000 and improve the appearance of your vehicle. Hey guys, welcome to Product Review Hub, where we tell you about the amazing affordable tech gadgets. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell symbol so that you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started! We've all seen expensive cars with beautiful interiors and mood or ambient lighting. However, companies are now using ambient lighting in every segment of their vehicles. This feature, however, is only found in the company's top model car. So if you're not interested in the top model of a car, you can have it built after the market. A phone holder that allows you to keep both hands on the wheel while still seeing the GPS. This one is compatible with most smartphones, allows you to adjust the angle, and makes inserting and removing your phone a breeze. Simply attach it to any horizontal vents and you're all set. A magnetic phone mount that clips into your air vents, allowing your phone to hang freely on the dashboard while you keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Stick the included sticker to the back of your phone or place it in the case and you're ready to go. Just make sure to double check your vents before making a purchase. Anything too low down would keep your phone out of your line of sight, which would be inconvenient if you're using it as a GPS. A no-rinse carpet spot remover that will get rid of stains you thought were forever a part of your car. It is effective on any color-fast material that can be safely dampened with water, which will likely include all car upholstery except leather. While you're at it, check out some of the other cleaning products that produce professional results. A cute hanging diffuser that will make your car smell like a spa on wheels. Choose from a variety of signature and seasonal scents to wow your passengers. A set of car hooks so that your bags and jackets don't spend the entire trip rolling around on the floor, spilling their contents all over the place, and getting covered in whatever grime has been hiding under your seats since the beginning of time. A 3-pocket folding car trunk organizer for those whose trunks have devolved into complete chaos. When not in use, it folds down for easy storage and is held securely in place by strong Velcro. A portable car desk tray combo that allows you to eat and work comfortably in your car. In addition, do restaurants usually have recliners? No, I don't believe so. A super comfortable memory foam chair cushion that your buttocks and back will appreciate on long drives. A tiny trash can that fits right into your car's cup holder, allowing you to stop throwing trash into the mysterious, unexplored depths of your vehicle. A cordless vacuum to get rid of those pesky things that never seem to come out of your car. I'm looking at you, rock salt and beach sand. A console side pocket that not only keeps your phone and keys from falling into the dreaded space between the seats, but also includes a piggy bank for loose change, a longer pocket for items like your phone and wallet, and an additional cup holder. You can get one for either the driver's or passenger side seat. A windshield cover eliminates the need for everyone's favorite winter task, standing in the cold for far too long, scraping ice and snow off of your windshield before every drive. Nobody ever said, "I just love shivering and being covered in snow every time I want to run to the store." For a secure and tight fit, the shield cover is made with straps that hang down and attach to your car's wheels. This prevents snow, wind, and frost from accumulating beneath the cover. A blind spot mirror is intended to help you merge more safely and keep an eye on areas that are normally out of sight. A pair of pet hair removing brushes, just in case your favorite passenger enjoys shedding all over your seats as much as they enjoy barking at other dogs at stoplights. And a quilted, water-resistant bench car seat cover to keep your seats free of fur, mud, and who knows what else. Plus, it's padded and comfortable to your dog, which is the most important aspect. A set of 6 cable clips so you don't have to choose between keeping your eyes on the road and searching for your charger, which has managed to elude you. A stick-on shade to keep your eyes protected and your car cools in the face of the sun's never-ending rays. An expandable hanger bar for those who use their back seat as a closet on wheels. A pocket-sized tile mate that would have come in handy every time you misplaced your keys, wallet, or whatever else you have a habit of misplacing. Simply attach it to the item of your choice, and the next time you can't find it, you'll be able to use your smartphone's Tile app to make your missing object ring until you find it. And if you want to increase its range from 200 to 400 feet, you can try the Tile Pro. A tough, extendable snow brush with a squeegee and ice scraper to quickly break through the iceberg that has formed overnight on your windshield. It also detaches for storage or individual use if desired. A heated seat cushion to make cold weather driving less painful. It even has 2 heat settings so you can customize the level of toastiness to your liking. A game-changing car seat organizer with enough pockets to securely hold a tablet, cups, snacks, and anything else you might need on a road trip. Probably just more snacks, but you do you. A sleek 2 USB car charger that fits right into your cigarette lighter, because at this point, at least half of the appeal of a car is as a massive traveling phone charger. A set of all-season rubber floor mats to protect your car's floors from the snow, salt, and filth that inevitably finds its way inside. They also have an anti-slip backing and will not curl, crack, or harden in cold weather. If they are too large for your vehicle, they can be trimmed. A leak-proof trash can that easily straps to your center armrest or around your headrest, and it includes a rubber lid to keep trash covered and pockets for extra storage. Instead of tumbling around the back seat for the next 6 months, the evidence of your late-night fast food detour is now out of sight and out of mind. A tissue dispenser for your sun visors to help you fight the sniffles while you're out and about. You'll also be able to dispose of them in the trash can listed on the roof. It's ideal for tissues, napkins, wipes, plastic bags, and anything else you might need before getting out of your car. An auxiliary cable in case the one you've been using since high school has reached the point in its life cycle where it must be precisely positioned, or else it crackles, pops, and cuts out while you're just trying to vibe to your music. A road trip kit so that if disaster strikes unexpectedly, you'll be prepared with all the necessary emergency supplies. First aid supplies, a jumper cable, a flashlight, screwdriver, duct tape, a bungee cord, a shop cloth, 6 cable ties, 2 AA batteries, and an emergency poncho are all included. A Bluetooth car adapter is useful if your older vehicle lacks an auxiliary connection, or if you simply want to listen to music or make phone calls while remaining cord-free. You can connect it to the game via Bluetooth, microSD card, or USB flash disk. A set of cool interior LED car lights for that extra little bit of bling when driving at night. A car seat gap filler that prevents your phone from falling between the annoying space between your seat and the middle console. A keychain car escape tool that can cut through seat belts and break car windows, because it's always better to be prepared, even if you hope you never need it. This will save your life if you are ever trapped in your own vehicle, because it will stay connected to your keys in the ignition, allowing you to reach it without difficulty. It will not detach easily unless you pull it off, which means it will be available where you want it when you need it. A massive, extremely warm military wool blanket that you can keep in your trunk in case of emergency. It also makes an excellent seat cover if you're riding with a pet, and you'll always be ready for an unexpected picnic. Hey, that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. And we'll catch up in the next